ever pondered upon the significance of dry fruits in our daily diet? They are not just a crunchy delight, but are also packed with a myriad of health benefits. Welcome to the world of dry fruits, a world filled with the goodness of health and taste, brought to you by MK Traders. Imagine a place where quality meets variety, a place where every single piece of dry fruit is hand-picked to ensure the best for you. This is what MK Traders is all about. They offer an extensive array of dry fruits, each with its unique taste and health benefits. From the sweet and tangy apricots to the crunchy almonds, the selection is vast. Are you a fan of the delightful taste of cashews? Or do you prefer the rich, nutty flavor of walnuts? MK Traders have it all. What about the exotic, energy-packed dates? They got you covered. Take a moment to appreciate the sweet and sour cranberries, the superfood flax seeds, or the heart-healthy pistachios. There's also the fiber-rich figs and the protein-packed pumpkin seeds. Let's not forget the antioxidant-rich raisins and the omega-3 loaded chia seeds. The list is endless, and so are the health benefits. MK Traders is not just about variety, they also stand for quality. With them, you are assured of premium, fresh, and healthy dry fruits. They are committed to bringing you the best from nature's bounty. And the best part? They offer these high-quality dry fruits at wholesale prices. So whether you are a health enthusiast, a foodie, or just someone who enjoys the crunch and flavor of dry fruits, MK Traders is your go-to place. They are here to cater to your dry fruit needs, ensuring you get nothing but the best. It's time to make a smart choice for your health and taste buds. MK Traders invites you to explore the wonderful world of dry fruits. Experience the taste of high-quality dry fruits that are not just tasty, but also packed with health benefits. Don't just take our word for it. Visit MK Traders today. Taste the difference that quality makes. Choose your favorite dry fruits from their vast array, and let the goodness of nature enrich your life. Because at MK Traders, your health is their priority.